Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a roasted pork shoulder. And I have to tell you, this wasn't what I planned to initially make today. Joe and I went to the supermarket. We were thinking actually about making country style ribs. And when we got to the supermarket, we saw this. It was such a good deal, we couldn't pass it up. This here is a 10-pound pork shoulder. And we got it for 89 cents a pound. It was such a good price that we said, you know what? We're going to have pork shoulder instead of country style ribs. So there you go. So I'm going to show you how I make them today. All right, so what I've done so far is I've taken the pork out of the package, dried it off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife here and I'm going to make slits in it, just random slits, because what I want to do is I want to put some garlic cloves down in it. And what I've used, I'm going to use probably maybe like a whole bulb by the time I get done. But this is something that you can, do more or less to taste how much you like your garlic. And I'm just going to take my garlic, which have been peeled, and I'm just going to put them down in the slits like that. This way it'll help flavor the meat. And if the cloves are too big, you can always take a knife and slice them. Let me do this one because it's kind of big one here. Use a smaller knife. Put them in to make them fit maybe even a little bit better too. So I'm going to do this to this side and also the fatty side. You just randomly want to put them in here. Like I said, this is something you could do as much as you like or as little as you like, depending on how much you like garlic. And it's nice too is if you have some fresh sprigs of rosemary, which unfortunately I don't have, but I have used at times, where you could put that in there with them, with the garlic. Okay, so there we got our garlic in. So the next thing I want to do is I want to score the fat a little bit with a knife. So this way when I season it, we'll get some of that salt down in there. And it'll help flavor the meat. So we really want to try to get it cut through the fat there a little, that layer of fat. I don't want to take it off because the fat's going to help baste the meat, give it flavor as it cooks. I'm going to put some little olive oil on here. And now I'm going to season it. And you want to be very generous with the salt and pepper, so it can help really get down into that and flavor it, the meat. I'm just going to rub it in here. Just want to make sure to add enough salt too and pepper, because that will hopefully, what we want it to do is form a nice crust. So I'm going to put it into my pan. My oven's set at 350, and we're going to go for about 30 minutes a pound, and then we'll check it as we go along. So here it is, all out of the oven. It reached the internal temperature of 185. So now I'm going to just let it rest. And then we're going to slice it. And we're going to let you know exactly what we think and how it turned out. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Hello everyone. So here we are out of the oven. So this is the final product that I sliced up for you. So this way we can give it the ultimate taste test. So let's see here. So as you can see, it's nice and juicy, very tender. Just by cutting it and everything, it would just wanted to just fall apart. You can even see the pieces of the garlic that I had stuffed in the little slits that I made. So let's try it and see how it is. Really very tender. And believe it or not, that garlic that I put down into it when I was making it really flavored the meat, and you have a nice mellow, rich garlic flavor that's not overpowering. That just gives it just a nice little flavor. And the salt and pepper created a nice little crust here on it. So everyone, what do you think? I really want to know. So leave a comment below, hit that like button, let me know what you think, and we'll see you again real soon in Julie's Kitchen.